Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to fix something seems to have gone wrong ChatGPT error on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find an unstable or weak network connection is causing this error, then turn on and off the mobile data. Turn on and off the flight mode. Use a Wi-Fi connection in case mobile internet is slow. You can also try using the wired connection to enjoy uninterrupted and speedy Wi-Fi internet. Restart the router and re-establish the connection. Sometimes apps' internal issues might cause such problems. Therefore, it is suggested to relaunch the ChatGPT mobile app once. A simple refresh can sometimes resolve minor glitches. You can also try starting a new chat. A cluttered cache on the ChatGPT app can also lead to this ChatGPT error. Thus, clear the temporary app's data and get rid of the issue. For this, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the ChatGPT. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. And finally, restart your phone. The next solution you can try to fix this error on Android is to check the status of ChatGPT servers. Visit the Down Detector website to solve the problem. Try to log out of your ChatGPT account and log in again. This can reset your session and fix authentication issues. But remember that you will have to wait a few seconds before logging back in. Go to Settings and choose Logout. Sign back in with your credentials. The next solution is contacting the app developer to see if they have any specific troubleshooting steps or recommendations. You can simply send the mail to contact@openeye.com and ask for the assistance. So, this is all about how to fix something seems to have gone wrong ChatGPT error on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.